You subscribe yet?
No man then I kill me man, I come down there tomorrow. I didn't tell you about the young after I got so much on the side of I don't want to. Okay. Good. Home to you, good. Don't talk myself. Man, I carry up your phone, girl. So, I have no such. I have no phone.
You really not see me do me hair my fingernail?
Eh? Backside of the ear, too.
I'm here in the house.
Yeah.
No, I'm here and ghost in the house.
So I'm going to. I never really penetrate that. When I look on
Me
here.
and I touch your phone, you tell me say me crap up your
Yeah.
phone. Me I show you my nails.
Oh, they look good, man. They look good.
Seriously? And what kind of man you be?
You say you show me your nails, them, and I say they look good. They look good. What more you want? Them look good.
So you never realize it all along?
No, you showed me a while ago.
And what's so important in your phone? Eh? Yeah, your woman there home. And you down in your phone?
Jesus Christ.
You not even realize your woman do nails and do her
You look
hair
at me,
or
me
something.
now watch your nails and what you do. If you do it, you do it. I feel your own good. You not
Seriously?
benefit me. You show me, you say if me not see it. And you show
It's
me and I see it and I say look nice.
I'm
Some
not
way
getting
you
no
want.
argument with this today.
Yeah, get the food, mommy. People just are going and waste the food. Me understand. You can't get the food up along there and wait. Oh, man. Watch out.
Wait, go on. Auntie Shirley. Real man. Say I go on the out. Thing good.
I'm there, watch out, watch how I go and still.
Yeah,
So
man.
what now?
See up on the corner, you say, what you do on your side? The Petersfield side I come from.
Yeah.
I want to. So you the boy, so. Ah, scholars.
Yo, Benji, here I go, Benji.
Me know say y'all are going. See? And a food I come.
I want food and forward come buy us, but I don't know that come see us still. I don't know what I say.
Me a piece of food I come by.
How can I say that?
Everything with Belgium, a far I come from. See?
Carry no one, brother.
But I read the mind. Me I read the energy. I energy from my father right now is like say,
The prison I come from.
brother,
I must have a money, man. A money more right now, is it?
brother,
Broke
school
down.
man.
Broke down.
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna come from jail. Everybody else thinks gonna come from fire.
No, that's what I say.
Why you check me like this?
I tell you something, broke down, brother.
I spoke. I'm gonna understand what you right with them, bro. Me know say that money,
You know, you have a sense.
So watch on, man.
You hear me, I say?
I know you don't want nobody know what's our prison forward from you.
So that, bro, so
No, but you have to pay for that. See me? I mean,
Benji, the school, man, and other things flying, man.
I mean the school, man. I see
Brother,
me
me help
can't.
you out during tough times as well, bro.
I need more food, brother.
Yeah, get a food you want. But so
I
what?
buy a food, no, man. I want a 10 grand in my pocket, brother.
Jesus Christ. Benji, this really take it, bro.
I mean, man, no, remember say, mama don't know that, you know. And me and you know that, you know. So I go and say, buy a food, man, and give me a 10 grand in my pocket, man. Because I know that at least, you know, I want you.
Alright, so me do that
Yeah,
like that.
Eat that, man, and I say, man. Nah, man, settings, man. Calm see, man.
Alright, Benji.
Do you the fast, man, because I know
Alright,
someone on the road, man.
make one more food if Benji,
Like on time, mama. Right, breast.
Benji.
I want to blend the juice them too, mama. One of the carrot juice. You hear me? She hear me?
Come on, here, man, she's not responsive.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican people say.
Carrot juice, man. I
You
drink.
know, in a restaurant, I'm going, if you man who run a restaurant, taste the food taste good.
So you say. I'm have to make a fast mover now. See it?
Man, Benji, easy and time.
No, say no easy. Remember, you don't know, you know, man. Nobody don't know that, you know. Only me alone know what I'm going, you know. See it? Give me it, don't say no, to make nobody know what I'm going, brother. Respect.
Benji, this no Benji. Attend, man, attend that.
I attend this. Yo, give me some more points.
Attend that, man. The school, Benji, just eat the man.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, I said nothing, I collect your food. I don't know. You're really out in them, man.
Yeah,
Don't
man,
buy
big
them.
up, yeah, right, cool.
Everything good, man.
Yeah,
You see
man,
me?
yeah, man.
Cheer up yourself, man. 'cause I
Everything.
don't- Everything good, man. Auntie, see me, I know. Carrot juice, button, no boy.
You get you. I'll get you, man.
Take one panito.
You take one pass for me, Bill.
So how bill? So yeah, I carry them back then and change the deal.
Yeah, man, everything good. Go on, get you. Respect, man. Yes, sir.
You know, I respect every time.
Very excited. Oh God.
What make you excited?
Not the pregnancy.
Oh.
Involved now, me I talk about.
Alright. What me really have to know is that we have to take it slow and think. I get too overexcited because I know I'm carry a doctor to check up and see if you really did it and sitting. But you ain't check it before? You ain't take a test?
Yeah, me do it test.
And you show me? See there. You do test and you show me?
Remember me tell her say. Me dey wait for tell her, right? Me never want.
I want Bridget saying you want to come link me, but I don't understand. But yeah, go on talk, babe. Listen.
Remember me tell her say. Me never ready for tell her say I'm pregnant and them the time day. Right? So
What me I say is that you sure you're pregnant? Because me don't understand say. Alright, me really and truly me don't hurt your feelings. just want to confirm certain things. That's all me I say. But it make sense, yeah, rush up and down and get excited because I mean I wasn't sure about nothing. Me
Me
not
sure
sure.
I'm pregnant. But me tell her something.
Mm.
Other day, you look one face for me, you know. Where you say if I fear baby, and you turn it back around and say, me happy, don't play with me, you know. Don't play with me. Cause you ever see me, I know next man yet. You
No,
ever
me
take
say.
care and see that, you ever hear after that, and anybody will chat me. Tell them if you come, hey, you see me in a good mood today. But here we are going. You say me not to get too excited. And me have to get excited because I'm my first child, right? So what you want me to do? Sit down and sad and hold on my face so
I never said that.
emotional every time.
Me see you here and me appreciate that and me like me like you step up where you make, but just calm down.
Good.
You know what
I
I mean?
see pink, right? I
Yeah.
see pink dress, right?
Yeah.
So what that mean?
That means
A girl me a vote for.
oh girl you go for. Well man love boyfriend. Well if a girl, but me not prefer. You know what I mean, boy, but it is what it is. Me can't send it back. But me, why you go check my girl now? Why you go check Marika? People them say you go down a yard and knock off him door, want to kick him down. Why you do that?
I kick down there and say,
Yeah, but why you do that?
that's your worry about.
What me say I worry about?
The girl want me man and me see and me know. And you can't tell me nothing.
Babe, listen to me. The girl is a long time friend and you don't have to worry about her anymore right now. Cause me and she not nothing at all and carrying nothing. You understand me I say? And me no want it. If he say me want nobody but you, understand that the man and make things just run and flow free.
Well, anyways, enough about she, because when she me I talk about right now, because like say you're obsessed with that girl, you know. And don't play with me, and don't play with me. Anyways, hear me I talk about now. You have to go buy up some things put in the fridge for me, you know.
Jesus.
Like shrimp, milk, and then something that will make go feel for you have to go put in the fridge. Because you know, if baby come in now, you know, so me I go feel for this, me I go feel for that. So, yeah. What do you? What happened to you?
No, I mean, as I say, it's like you me taste and really rush things and rush things. And that you do right now.
You have one picnic out there?
Let me say, me not picking out there. What you talk about?
Say first, picnic this I get though.
Yeah.
So happy, be happy.
Me happy.
Be happy.
But me just not understand why alright. You see me see on the paper, say everything I go through, then me we happy. You
When
understand?
you ready? You want to go tomorrow?
Yeah, can I go tomorrow?
You want to go tomorrow?
Yeah, can I go
So
tomorrow?
if you cut this a conversation and talk about Marika. Alright, let's talk about Marika.
No. Alright.
Let's talk
No,
about
no,
your
no.
side girl.
No, me not talk
Come,
about
let's talk about it.
Me talk about the facts, I'm hungry. Me just on the road a while ago. Me forgot buy one food and me not end up buy food because one brethren, one long time, brethren can link me and me just left off a spot. Because me have a certain amount of money for me and the money get used up because I pay one bill. See if you can sit there, go start out on the food.
So since as all you there for Marika case,
Jesus
why you
and
never
Titimus.
stop at Marika yard and get
do what?
something to eat?
For what?
Can you
Me
come
and
and come ask about why me go at the girl yard? Why me kick down the girl door? Where you get them the story there from?
From alright, you hear me I say. Let's make it rest this.
Sorry.
See if you can start or something, please. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah. One pot nuclear want.
Pot no go?
A joke food.
Pinky! Where's soup there?
Wait, what you dealing? Yeah, no star, you say there.
Brother, where you there, sir?
I pass through. Me no say you say there.
Yo.
Your ends this.
Alright, come on.
Where you say I go on? Me no say your ends this man.
Where you there, sir, bro?
What? Me walk on the road there. Cause you see the road there lead to the one there up there, sir. Around the side of my auntie living.
Alright, you walk
So I just feel like take the next route in there.
Alright,
And then automatically me just steer yourself.
So,
You understand?
where you there, sir, now? Or one?
What me do, sir? You know say the little thing where you give me. Run out, I don't even know I run out so fast, brother. You see me? So I say, one little investment, I want to investment to more make.
Investment.
Yeah.
So how me come on that?
But I can flip and put in the money and make a money, you understand?
So how me become a part of your investment? Me I gain from it?
No, not really, you know, but I say, you don't know. You lady in there?
Boy, that's your gun now.
No, not really, but I don't know.
Ah, you may
just
say.
want 20 grand I look this time after the lady, man.
Hold on, so every time when your money run, they come on my yard. That's what you try to tell me.
No, general, you
Brother,
say,
listen to me, man. That's because, yo, I saw
Brother, listen me. Listen me now. And you remember you're not a big talk in this. I say if a lady in there.
Yeah, she in there. She is. Alright. You. What you want, bro? What you
Brother,
want? 20 grand?
20.
Alright, me come link you. Next week.
Next week.
Next week.
No want the money,
It
brother.
can't happen now.
What you mean can't happen now, brother? I say, yo, listen me now, man. Just do it the fast and quick car. You make me all a walk way around the place like.
Alright, come,
like,
sir.
we don't need to come. So come down and say,
No,
brother.
brother, school, man. Yo, I mean, really want to
Come
hear
down
your
and say,
business.
brother.
Just listen to me,
Go and
man.
do the thing and fall.
Alright, you
Alright,
know,
that's a man.
just listen to me, sir. I have money
Yeah,
for me.
what you say?
I have money for me.
What you
I have
say?
money for me.
No.
Brother, I have money for me. I have money for me.
Oh, you have the money?
Yeah, I have money for me.
Do what you do now, man.
Alright, so it's 20 grand now.
Mm.
I don't want to see back as.
You don't want to see me back here, sir.
And me I say, I don't want to see back as meaning say I don't want to see back.
Brother, you don't want to see me back here.
You know, it's because you know say I don't want my woman and people know say.
But we are talking about, listen now.
And me never go foreign and you alone know because I feel link me get it from. Yo, brother, you can't deal with a black man, so brother. You can't deal with the situation,
Next time you go
so.
to jail, you keep your mouth. You talk too much. Next time you go in a jail cell, you don't tell nobody nothing. So do what you do, make me move from yourself.
Alright, so it's at 20 grand.
Yeah.
See? We now see back again, right?
You don't see me back here, sir, man. Manners and respect. I'm straight this up a shot in the car.
Yeah, babe. May I come?
It's general forward, man.
Yeah, man. Go on, pick up yourself.
So, yo, you're really out, you know?
Yeah, man. Don't miss back yourself. See, sir? Pick up yourself.
Big up yourself. I go back, sir.
Yeah, man, go on.
See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Yeah.
Who the brother there?
How about him, man? I want long last virgin, kind of, you know. I see my foreign and so forth. You know somebody are foreign?
So every time he just a come and so I want.
Nah, man, first time you see man, taps about me, come. Nah, man, we are talking. You alright though, babe? Thank you for the soup, but it's soup hot. Me feel just make the soup cool off. You want to go on? You see? I think we need to take a break from the place.
Yeah.
You understand? Where do you think we go up here? Go up a country a little bit, go cool out. You want to do that?
Now you're talking.
Yeah, because more you inhale fresh air for your baby. More you know what I mean? Your tongue, you smoke with it, the exhaust and the bike and the this and the that. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
And more you just relax yourself. Alright, babe?
Alright, so.
So I go and drink this soup and thing. You say make soup for yourself? I don't want soup.
I don't feel for that. He baby no want that day.
So your baby if you know what you want and baby not even. And not even 1 week old baby in your
Don't do
belly.
that. You don't know that. You don't know that.
So you tell me say past 3 months?
Me never say past 3 months.
So what you say then?
It can be 1 month. And me never know. Till other day me find out. The baby no feel for no soup. Drink your ramen.
You go drink ramen.
I go lay down here.
You go and lay down. Go lay down. You don't feel say you're pregnant.
Marika.
Whoa, murder.
Hey. Me not come for this today. I'm not this me come, boy.
Where you coming from?
Me just come to apologize. The way how me behave with you other day.
So apologize now? You say you come to apologize, so you turn up and look.
How you do? But me have to apologize to you.
No, I'm not bad up here. Why mother do
Okay,
that?
well, Marika, I am sorry for the way how I treated you. And me just it feel say I take my man, that's it.
I don't understand a Pinky. You not even do me here because of you say me I take your
Hold
man.
on there. I obey me for your yard. Cause me reach a beer and just a bite me so.
No, I'm not a fan of that something me a God fearing person.
Oh,
But anyway, apology accepted.
yeah.
I'm if I give you a friend win.
And guess what?
Oh,
I'm pregnant.
congratulations, that's so nice. Finally, you have a pitney.
Yeah, and I want girl more want, so.
I hope a twin you get.
Well, if me get twin, me grateful for it. If me get one boy, I'm grateful. If I want girl, I'm still grateful, but it's okay. So anyways, you alright though?
Yeah, I'm good. Me just there asking up and something.
Mm. So how your man?
You know, saying good in Gamp on the road, gonna have a drink with your friend them.
Oh, so no good though then.
Yeah, we're good. We call it so.
Well, alright. That made it comfortable. So
Yeah, man, later. I'm gonna put this on my status right now.
no, not do
Why?
that.
Why?
Me not deal with the status thing. Not do that. No put me
I'm
on
not
no
gonna call a
status.
name. I'm gonna put that's.
Okay, like
Yeah.
gonna leave for me there. Alright.
That's none of your business. Bye. Alright, so.
Alia.
Look how long me call if you go under my head. No man. Me I wonder if fish has something with there beg you.
Girl. Right, now I'm put another mission.
Oh your belly out here. Face time I'm going to look like I ain't a white.
No,
Why?
girl. I'm pregnant.
You what?
Pregnant.
See who?
What's that?
Who?
When by for who? I one man me have. What you mean by for who?
Then true me see a tip out here mother that they like it, they go lick off your man head. Me no feel say any man life.
You know, say this me.
I don't know this thing man but
This me, you know. Cause if you ask me about for who, this me, you know.
no other day me I hear they start talk, right? Yeah, do me head. The way all your tap off, and not even get to finish me head. Me think out there go lick on him and I might as well kill him too.
Well, your head can't bother do today.
I don't want to get a bed for your breed. I don't want to pick off all this funny.
Right now, I'm tired, girl. Right now, I'm overwhelmed. Oh, God. Me just,
So, oh, you know,
girl, look at me. I get overwhelmed. But anyways, to all me, I'll feel, girl, all excited and everything. I go apologize to Marika.
You got to Marika. So, baby, make you do that.
Yeah?
So, I say you did well one breed, man?
You think I make I can't breathe?
No.
You think I make I take man
Nobody
like a
go
dog
there,
and
so.
can't breathe?
Nobody go there, so. Do
Eh?
not go there.
You think I
Which
make
man?
I take
Me
man like
ask you
dog
a
and
question.
can't
You
breathe?
ever see me with a man?
I don't want to see. I'm not
Exactly.
care.
So, oh, you know me a take man.
Stop worry about my life, girl. Right now, look at this. Okay. Come like you're not grow already. Don't want to see it.
Thank you. Oh, you come over here for?
No,
If
look
you
at,
can't
look
do
at.
me, where you come here for?
Look at I touch my belly doing a cause.
Me don't want to touch you.
Sometime, you know, hand crosses, so nobody touch my belly. Look, Fanny.
Me don't want to see it neither.
This look like a 1 month. No. This look like it's don't reach 2 months, though. Anyways, my friend,
So, me ask you a question. Now, when you find out you're pregnant,
other day,
so how you reach 2 months already?
girl, if me go do the ultrasound right now, me know say me soon reach 2 months and I know. Cause you see when me do the test, it line them bright. That means say belly all, the belly I get all and all. What you talk about?
How a man feel about this?
Happy? How you feel?
Me don't know some man now, you know.
I'm first Whitney.
Oh.
And I'm my first Whitney though. So how you feel?
You don't know some man tan.
You must see what I'm
Good
lifting
afraid
my
that you don't know, you know. No man. I good afraid. You don't have no laptop out you can lend me.
No.
So when I now work properly,
my man have 2 of them. I would have lend one, but me not lend none.
You know your cross his laptop.
No girl, not do that. I mean man laptop.
Excuse God.
If your laptop a crosses, that means that him a crosses, so you violate my man. Don't do it. I'm gonna be my friend later.
That man there crosses funny day you make him. No, yeah, bro.
Yo, Benji. What go on, man? There, man, but you know, say still is the one thing more you do it for me. Yeah, man, more you do that thing for me. Remember, say you owe me a favor, and it's not like say I extort you know, but it's just a favor you owe me. Yeah, man, no say, you know, public. Yeah, Rasta public. You don't know, say, man, check the woman, and me I say, check the woman. He look up her status and thing and go on like say you want to come run in. Yeah, man. Yeah. How are they, man, checking her and thing and I go like say you want to come run in. Yeah, so just do what you are do. Just go and match up where you match up and thing. But just remember, say you owe me a favor. It's not extra, but don't know you owe me a favor. Not say a word, man. Just do what you do. Just wrap up where you wrap up. And alright, my sister, you know me love you already. Tomorrow me come check you, man. Alright, take care here. Alright, love you. Alright, sis.
When your sister talk about?
No, no man tell me say a long time from I left them, me not come check for them, so I hate me I do. Yeah, tell me say I come link him tomorrow and I'll come on.
Pinky come here today. And when she come apologize to me. Yeah, I remember me tell her say she come here to fight me for your man. You never remember though.
Remember, man. But me didn't know say that you talk about me, I want different. So she come over.
Anyway, she come and when she come, me run in her house.
You think you come to beat her again?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm running her house now. She said, no man, nothing like that, me come, boy. When me go back out there now, she say, she apologize. For how she behaved the other day and she sorry and guess what again? Guess what now? Big news.
And get money.
Give me money? Yeah. Why should I want to give me money?
No.
Alright. She pregnant. Yeah. She pregnant.
Good news.
Yeah, good news.
Who she pregnant for?
Our man.
Oh, so what make you so happy? Are she pregnant and are you pregnant?
So me happy. Hello. That's when I'm happy for other people, good things come your way. By the way, talking about good things come for you and this and that. You don't think it's time for we have for local family now.
Mama, listen to me. I'm not ready for none of that right now. You understand? Because when I talk about pitney, I talk about I have to give you all of my life savings. Pitney mean money, you know. Pitney bring money, you know. You have to mind pitney. I'm not ready for no pitney yet.
So, 5 years with the fam. 5 good years. And you tell me say you're not ready for no pitney, then when you go ready for pitney?
when me ready for it, me ready for it. But you know me not ready for no pitney I talk about. Me have to give all of my life savings that I go to the pitney.
This not safe.
Me might
That-
suffer.
That means I will
Pitney
not pay
cost
no.
money, you know.
Bob, what you tell me say? Eh?
One
That
idea
means
then.
say that means our relationship not seal or nothing there.
It's sealed, but what you know, really?
But if it's sealed
listen
without one
listen,
pitney,
a pitney is not a handbag where you can just take up and carry on the whole place. It's not. Pitney come with responsibilities, everything. You understand? And I like something you can just take up and walk up and down with it. So, pitney, brother, I'm not ready for no pitney charge. I don't know you come here and come talk about pitney. But I'm telling you, brother, right now you're talking about pitney just mess up my whole mood. You know, me there so have a nice mood. And you come and say with a pitney argument, man. Make them have pitney if they want pitney. I'm not ready for none yet. I'm ready
so
for
when
pitney, I'm
you're
ready
going
for
so
pitney, man.
aggressive, for me just a talk to you and tell us I'm ready. If me never ready more to come to you.
Me not
about
ready
it.
though. Me not ready. So that's a whole different that have statement. You ready but I don't ready. You
Why
come
me
and
not
so
understand
pitney,
this
pitney.
relationship?
I'm telling you, man.
This minute we go, the next minute we there. We come like we are bus, we are going from Mobile to Kingston.
Listen, you see, like how you want it, you go and go have it yourself. Me not really necessary.
Oh, me feel have one pitney by
You must
myself.
figure it out. Figure it out.
I don't understand. And a 5 years with that for.
Pinky, wait there, Pinky, wait there. You're gonna do it here again? No, man, so how much time a week you plan to do here because of this pregnancy thing? No, I don't have no money to buy no shrimp and no right now. When we go down so we see what kind of money we have. We have to balance the money. Girl. You listen to me I said to you? Me just go a barber, go shape a piece of my head side and that's it. And the man want to charge me $1,500 for what? Because everything raised. I know you are doing here twice in a 1 week. No, baby, you have to calm down. You have to calm that down. That can't work out. You know, financially, we must have for your baby and not for you. So we have to save the money for the baby when the baby come. So I understand why you make it sound like say. No, I'm not saying nothing look good enough, but you have to understand what I talk about. Babe, where you there? Where you say after? Alright, me meet you down on the road then if that's the case. Yeah, down on the lane, sir. Yeah, you're back there, man. Why you make life just complicated? We want like a conversation we're not supposed to have for 2 minutes. So I say you gonna stress me out through the pregnancy? Eh? Man, make you have to go pick one different father and come here and bother this time, bossy. What? Me say me not have no extra money now. Me supposed to get some money because I'm going to deal with some business yesterday with $30,000 what I have. Yes, the business. Yes, some other business we put towards the pregnancy plan. Yeah. So just hold on a little bit and wait. That's simple something. Alright, me meet you down there. Jesus Christ, man. Why should I put the phone, Mr. Lang? Really, man.
Oh, still about.
Yeah, what? Yeah, brother, what I go on long time to see you.
That good, man. So I go on.
I'm not there. I wait for me. For me to refer me forward. I want. Brother, me a bridge, you know, so I don't stand help me, so. I mean, so what bridging?
Me ain't no bridging, brother. You violate my woman's charge.
Violate which
You
man? What you
know,
talking
say
about?
me America there.
Are you America there, brother?
Stop going, some man. Stop going like you don't know, say me America there. You come and contact boy like say, like you don't know.
Brother, if we know that, bro, we don't do that. There's a bro code. You have to know that bro code there.
And you violate her.
Me never know say a
You
fake
try
woman
look
go.
her.
No. I know some man see upon her status one and
You must see her pass.
yeah, but me never know. Me think of your brother, bro.
See this, you try this out for me. You know, you put her tell me say me her brother.
What you mean, some brother?
Yeah,
No,
that, man.
a reason with you.
No, this you try this me, you know.
What you mean this, sir?
This you try this me.
Brother, don't make it think sound so we are come from far. What go on, general? Go on, man. It's too big man a reason. You know what I mean? Come out of the rain and man, I get sick. You see all them sitting there, me protect you them in that place, you know. But here man,
So you try to protect my woman.
Me not protect your woman, brother. Me never know say your woman that me a try to explain to you. Me know say your woman wanna do that. So what you say? Me a violate you.
You violate me.
Right now you sound like you violate me right now.
Oh, son, I not want to hear nothing from you.
What you mean saying?
Not want to hear nothing
So
from
this
you.
year take it, bro?
I don't want to hear
Over
nothing
something
from
me
you.
not guilty. I guilty. What you mean?
Ease up off of me now. Yeah, come close to me. Don't come close to me, brother. I don't chat with you. You violate me, woman. For you violate me, woman, you violate me.
Bro, me I tell you this. I know nothing like what you have put it as. I say, alright, everything good. Big up yourself,
What yourself, you know?
It's a most joke thing to beef, boy. What for woman, the man?
What go on, my you? Me not tell you to do that thing for me, man, and me still see the man bought the place. I go on like you want run in for my place.
Listen, man. Me dip on the ball, brother. Ball still a play, brother. See? But me not score big time yet. You understand?
Yeah.
Just have little faith in me, man. What do you remember my name?
Remember your name, man, but I told me say deal with that thing and you know deal with it because I still I see the nigga
man,
me I say.
You have to give it a time. Remember, you can't drink the soup when it's hot, you have to wait till it's cold.
That's true still, that's true.
And say so, come on, man. We never let you down yet,
Me know a thing, man.
Remember, say, the youth live around Westland Mountain there.
Yeah.
Where they tell me about. The same mission there.
Yeah, the same nigga there.
Remember, say, it take like a time to look at your record. What do you, man? Just give me a little time for it, man.
How long?
Yeah, what? We can't really give a definite time, because I see them thing, we have to see when I see the green light.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we can come to the room. It's jackpot, you get me, I say? But don't worry yourself, brother, man. I early out still.
Alright, don't let me down, you know. Don't let me down, you know.
No, let you down with general, man.
Alright. Bless up.
Alright, brother.
Bless up. Alright.
Bye, general.
Baby, feel like really hot me.
Eh?
Baby,
Let me see what you say. One thing. You look nice to me, girl.
thanks.
How much you spent to do that one now?
8,000.
Jesus Christ, man. You spent $7,000 like two days ago for doing pink hair. I know you spent. You feel that this is wise? Eh? When baby come money done.
Anyways,
I tell a star. You ready?
you can't worry about that. Anyways, you know what worry me right now? The also we get up a country. Me no bother want go there so.
What do you mean about go this? This we talk about and we secure about. That's where even maybe gone there here. And
Listen to me. You see the country life enough for me. You see the shit in a pit and them there someday is not my lifestyle.
Babe, you know, some country things kind of slow and we are trying to build it up this stuff. So what you talk about?
You see the outside bathroom?
Yeah.
Me can't take them there something. Them something that can't healthy for me and the baby.
We mean outside bathroom. So you never know that already from we stung up some talk. You get confused or something?
The baby make me emotional.
Christ.
So it make me never think of that.
Alright.
When we up there so.
So what we go do then? What you plan for do then? Go back up a rent house?
Better we look somewhere different.
But when that a problem, I don't want to look somewhere and go spend rent for money when you claim you're pregnant.
So what you want me to do?
What do you mean you want to do?
Use the outside bathroom.
Yeah.
That not good for me and the baby. What you talk about?
But remember say we have jump out the door and we have, you know, the bucket in the house. So I same procedure is just manual.
So what you gonna do? Lift up every minute, lift up every minute.
Lift up every
dip
minute.
up every minute, dip up every minute.
If that's the case. Listen, remember say for the baby I do this now. The baby you claim you have right now, I'm not sure yet. Because still every time it tells you go to a doctor, you don't want to go to a doctor, but you have time for the year. That me I talk about. So once again, you sure say, sorry for making you hold the box so long. You sure say you have that tested? Or you tested? Wait, when did you do that tested? Where were you?
Up on my yard.
So how you never show me?
Me hide it.
Long story short, you know who me sleep on with that one I go? Dirty Bob. Bob say me a lucky woman. Can you imagine that? The same woman where you go kick down in door.
Yeah.
Me never know say him and Bob there.
Why Bob could just give you one big stone?
What do you mean big stone?
Why Bob could give you one big stone? You go on like you never look him man, woman.
Me say, me nah look them at woman. Me a show you things before and that's it. There's nothing more to it. It's not like say me want her. You understand me I say? Or she want me no want her.
Or she no want you.
Me no want her.
So you not look back for her.
No. You have to understand say when my man say no.
Oh, so she didn't want you?
Yeah, of course.
And you never tell me that?
No, that's a long time before me. Babe, but make you try to twist up everything. Why are you twisting everything?
And baby, I make me twist up me, you know.
I want me.
Me I go back in my memory box. When I tell me say she nah look you and you nah look her.
Alright, here we go. Go do the test. Come on. Cause that conversation now go end well. Cause we understand where you go because you're not thinking straight.
You go hang you know.
You're not hanging your ice cream?
Yeah.
Come here.
How are this? There.
I go there? I wanna go.
You not see your friend?
No man, let's come.
You not see your friend?
Come on.
Pinky, alright man. Later.
So we can get attitude, so.
Bob.
What?
What me?
Well,
Me not like how we distant from each other nowadays.
I mean,
Like me the hear you on your phone. We not used to play like how we used to play, laugh and talk and then something there. Each time we there on your phone, me the one side. Me not like that.
I'm not talking about them something.
With something.
Me understand all the way you say no. Me understand what you say, yes. But right now, tired, you see me? And you know, say come to think about it, me see for your so-called dirty man down there. But the road seems there. You see him and there. Yeah, me see him.
Me see him and the woman today.
You see him?
Yeah.
Where you turn from and see him?
On the road.
So where you see him from?
What mean I see him from? I have two eyes.
See him or not see him? You say my eyes totally shut, see him and don't see him.
So how you see him and tell me say you see him? So what wrong?
Me not see him. I glimpse him. Seeing and glimpsing is two different something.
Well, I glimpse him with one of my eyes. So.
Yeah, so. I feel like I never understand that things. Remember you say your name back then when you used to this something.
We never do that yet.
No, I mean say you do that, you say when you used to this.
What that mean?
This. You mean this.
We never do this. We never do that. You always protect me.
Yeah, expect somebody?
No, I'm not expect
You
nobody.
mean expect nobody?
So what?
Because you're the man out there too, you know.
Which man?
Yeah,
Which
I mean
man?
them thing there, no, my girl.
And that's why
Go and go pull the door. Go and go pull the door.
Jesus
See if I see. Make me see a man come to your door.
Atia, Alia.
Oh.
Acha, me a knock the door. Come.
Why, man? Why free?
Night, man, night.
Yeah, good brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No go and talk on the talk. Me I got kitchen.
So as we come in one run, we are changing
No man,
from the
no
door.
man. A woman thing on that talk. Me I got kitchen go make sandwich. She make she give her. She have the money, man. Make she give her. She
You're
have
too
it.
lie, man.
Me give her the money, man. Make she give her.
I'm not giving no money.
You know, so if you say you have a little brother, you're mean, and all that stuff. Oh God.
I look for you better one. Now where you come from? Look dress up so nice.
Let me go look people, man, and come back.
Yes, I got it.
Look people, man, I want home.
Alia go look people, man.
I pose it, pan. You don't learn that you. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I'm not come over here to argue with you today, you know. I'm come over here to say. You see your post now sitting by your status about for your friend there.
Who that?
Pinky, the one that's pregnant. She. And what kind of thing them they post about the girl?
I'm a post about her. I just take one little video of him and him man and me say everything that glitter is gold.
So what that's supposed to mean?
No mean nothing. Just post here and say that. No mean nothing.
Remember, say you see in one little dealings one long time, you know.
Tap say me and him man doing a dealings. He just always did that protect me.
Protect you. You look like me born behind cow. Look like me I eat that, but just to protect me. You just to protect me. Marika, stop posting this. Support Pinky this week now.
I don't care about Pinky. You're going like something, I don't care. And my status, I post some one post for my status. You understand?
Why? It seems like you're dumb, you know, cause you don't know who Pinky be.
So?
Look, Pinky head way cheap. More Pinky over there do me head and a mad girl. More see me. When he hear same thing, so go on. See, look all for your head, it didn't even do good. If I did Pinky to your head, you would have do better than that.
I don't care what you want to say. And the person do me here good.
Listen me.
Anyway.
You're my brother woman. And I protect you.
Protect me from what?
You come like you not hear me and say, Pinky might come over here and lick sense in you.
I chat. Pinky can't go and do nothing. And by the way, I'm not even sure if you pick me in her belly for the man.
Whoa, you see, I jealous, you know. I saw me know see you and the man and things, you know. And you see, if you not go so, in near if you go so, you can't tell me nothing.
Jealous.
Because me I hear one little something for the road, you know. And you see, if you go so, me tell you, head and proud of you, because if my brother no be too man, you go start licking your rotted. That me I tell you. Because you see anger issue in him already? One, you might see nail in your pan you. One.
Yeah, your brother can go one side. And me and the man in no dealings. I just want to have one picnic for myself. And your brother can't tell me about say him not ready to have picnic.
Oh, so true you want a picnic for yourself. Yeah, what can I talk to Pinky picnic and billion of your man?
Me?
Oh, you just say look wild.
Me tell you, me not tell nobody else.
Oh,
So,
me go know that. I hope by later me not see. Why? Picnic and Pinky billion of your man.
If
They
you
go
want to
kill
post
him.
my status, me post it. That is
No,
my
posy.
business.
Posy.
By the way, what you do over here? Conga ya.
Let me tell you something.
Come
Enough
on.
your yard, me there, my brother yard. So
Me
you
not
can't
care.
put me out
You
of
can
this.
give your brother wife?
You know matter.
Can you give your brother wife?
Me
Come out
can't
of
give
my
my brother
house.
whole heap of woman do a true.
Come
Me
out of
respect
my
you.
house. Go on.
And a fool, my brother fool he look like.
Go on.
I mean, I know I sit down with this a humpy dumpy.
I mean, I know me I sit down with your brother with full like our.
Cause you that him man not like
And
your
you are
style.
idiot. That's why you
Look
can't
funny
have no
person,
man for yourself.
No, baby, love. People man nice
That's-
and comfortable. I
yeah.
don't want no man for myself.
That's the way you can go. You
Yes.
can't keep a man, so you have to take people, man.
Yes.
Come out of my house. Go on. Go
Don't
on.
touch me now.
Come
Don't touch me.
out. Me no want you over here. Go on.
Watch me and you.
Because me your brother there, you not even can
What
keep
sweet
one man
nanny
for
goat?
1 month.
I go run in
As
belly.
next
Remember me
week,
tell you
come here
that.
have a different man. Come
Know
on.
yourself.
Bad man, brother.
The cash are coming, I don't business.
So we not have cash.
You over here sit down, my brother, I'm broke.
Me not broke me love because me pay for me
You
nails
sit
and
down
me
over here,
hair.
I'm broke.
If I hear a brother mother
Broke.
got bush gun yam
That's why you
grass.
not give you no money because you workless. Where? I gotta tell my brother to give you a bun, go
And
girl.
if I say a grind, you have to grind for your money so you can't.
No worry yourself, it good.
Yeah. Actually good, that's why your brother still have me.
It good. No worry yourself.
Don't
Leeches,
talk with
boy.
that girl,
I gotta tell my brother to give you a bun, watch.
And me
I want him bun, yo.
Bright and face, the bun for bun, you never hear that.
Alright, you are going now. Certain things me can't give right now. See?
Yes.
1 second, please. Yeah, man, because one brother named Bob now, he might come link me up and act like say. He might make it seem like say me having a problem. Yeah, I'm gonna like vibes like that. I tell you. Alright, yo, me shout back and thing, yeah? Yeah, man, come here on that little surveillance camera right now. Yeah, alright. Let's see how go on.
Sorry if you owe me I give you a problem in your life.
You see, what you need to understand is that we are go through one phase. You claim say you're pregnant, right? And we need to find out for myself if you feel comfortable. But you have to know, say, boy, we have to run this together if we are do it together. Enough money not run left a long time, you know. Because you don't understand yourself right now, you can blame upon this. Watch it. Me don't know what I go on. You claim, say, I just be a claim, you claim. You understand me, I said, yeah. So we plan for this. We plan to stay person now. Because I now go back to our country, you know.
Alright, we're going to stay here,
Yeah,
so.
stay so.
And you go get it test.
Alright, cool. And we'll get the test and we start it out. Let's make sure it's a minute of foolishness. Moving forward. Back and forth thing, in a worthy. But this is the last time you're here. The next thing you hear some big plot about in it. Because you're not going to know we're on no road. You understand me I say? Stop shake, me I talk to you. You hear me say to you?
I'm a hot girl, you know.
You're a hot girl
So
out
I
of
can't promise about no big plot.
Yo, you're a hot girl out of road, but this is a different part. A big plot time, so just make up your mind. The money that every time when you do it, you're putting in one pan and you see how fast the money go. You understand me I say? When last you do one here, I'll be a few here you do. That makes sense? And you're here just when you want hot and the people who want to spend with you. And then can't even spend with you because you don't have time for them. That not up. Why you look so wet when you see? When you go a pipe man, tap turn on the pipe force on your face. How is that coming?
Hello. Good night.
Where go on?
You can give me a second more talk to my friend.
Yeah man, take an hour man.
Hour? Alright. Hour. You're impregnated. So, me go over America yard. Cause Miss America post up you on her status with your man.
What?
It's not everything you glitter is gold.
Give me a cigarette.
Wait, no.
Well, give me a cigarette. Me nobody feel like me a choke. Give me a lighter.
You know, done this so. And then I can't
give me the lighter. Go on now.
The penny done this so. I know for your man.
Where you say?
She said penny in the belly enough for your man. And me they talk to the girl and tell the girl say enough to post there something there. The girl I say no business with you. You're lucky. You can't do him nothing. One bag of me have to chase a girl down there.
I respect that. But you not tell the girl like my head no.
You
No,
think I like
sir.
every time me tell him say you come cook, but he come like he not quick in our head.
No,
You know
man.
say Michael just come like a them big old Billy. You know them Billy back there? Cause me they tell the girl say you're sick in your head. The girl say, me not care, me not this, me not that, me not that. So me ask him what I mean by say I know everything glitter gold. So this time the pitney in your belly I know for your man.
Hey.
And that was her reply.
So she wants to sick tonight. She wants to sick
Remember you're
tonight.
pregnant. Remember you're pregnant. Just remember that.
Alright, it's alright. Later, yeah?
So you're going so?
I'm going.
You're going?
Mm-hmm.
So can but me light and I know your teeth front and
Alright, later, yeah?
alright.
Go on. Go on,
You
me.
don't like how you're behaving now?
What, me a going to my man?
No man, you're gone in a mad zone now. Call when the mad you go on so.
Me a going to my man. Go on, me a see you through. Go on.
Make sure you know. Alright, take care.
So I get a real and know me, you know. Well, go on.
You're good.
Yeah, me alright.
So, what you do to me and I?
Just there, go on easy.
You see your man today, I want to go.
You know, so we go buy ice cream and thing though.
Oh, that's so nice.
Mm-hmm.
So, what you smoke?
Girl, no worry about that. Cause right now, if me never smoke a jail me there.
Why you da there, Jill?
How yourself, man?
You need to stop with smoking. I can't take you center smoking on my house. So, OT out or something. Oh, God.
No, this year, man.
Like, seriously?
See out there.
Thank you. Where come over here
Yeah, no, me come over here for.
Where come over here
You know, say I joke with my badness.
I started to make her come over here.
Hey! Yeah, joke with my badness, you know.
What kind of badness?
Say, I know everything glitter gold. What you try? What you do? What that mean? Me I talk to you and me I ask you, say, what you mean by I know everything glitter gold?
Girl, if you're not going to do
What you mean by that?
so you take a girl, relax. Remember, say you're pregnant.
Right now, me the evil business about pitney in a belly. Cause I know if you chat say, he pitney enough for him already.
Duh. Remember, saying they gonna find.
So I'm going to ask you last time. Why you post me for your status? Cause me never reply if you post me no. Cause dead dog that. But why you post me?
Think it one.
Girl, why you post me?
Me not night tonight. Please.
So when by night, why you post me?
Wow.
Why you post me?
One.
Why you post me? Eh? What make you post me? Hmm? What make you post me? You want me man? You want me man? You want me man? Hmm? You want me man? You want me man?
Me?
Yeah.
I mean, I go ground. Take her up off the ground now. That's true.
They can't go. They kill one girl.
Me?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
kill
we-
girl, man. Look at the man, babes.
You
Don't do
just
that,
call me
man.
babes.
I don't time for that, man.
You know when you not call me babes?
Well, that's right, man.
Kiki, repeat them. Me? Jesus Christ, that's why I did one thing down here, I don't know.
What you do?
And you cast this, you know.
What you do?
My post for my status.
You post my status.
Post for my status, share 9 months and everything glitter gold. So me I gotta do now.
Yeah, go call her man, you know. Call her man to come for her.
But me not having.
Find his number. My girl stop the kind and take up your girl.
Oh my God, the girl.
My girl, call the girl, man, I can't take him up out of my bed. No, 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 fix no beef.
You subscribe yet?